Hi guys, hi, how are you doing? Hope you are doing well. Welcome to my channel. If this is your first time to be here, kindly subscribe to my channel, like the video, and leave a sweet comment down below. And to my subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back and watch my videos. So today I'm going to show you a very beautiful apartment called Showman's Apartment that is in Nakuru. I've been here for like 2 days and I've really enjoyed my stay here, and I thought let me show my people this apartment so that if they would like to come if they come to Nakuru, maybe they can come and have a beautiful stay here. The place is so beautiful. I will show you so that you can know if you are coming to Nakuru, where can I stay? Showmat Apartments is a very beautiful apartment. They are furnished apartments, so don't worry about a thing. You just carry your clothes and come have a beautiful stay here. Maybe you're having your birthday or just want to have a staycation with family and friends. It's a very, very beautiful place. So let me show you around so that you can see how Showmat's suits and apartments look like. As we start with here, I'm here outside. This is the balcony area. If you'd like to relax here, maybe you have your morning coffee here. This is how the outside looks like. This is how the balcony looks like. So when you come from the balcony, immediately from the balcony, you enter the kitchen. So this is how the kitchen looks like. Starting from here, this is the sink. This is the sink area. As you can see, this is where you keep the things are kept for maybe cups or glasses that you'd use. You know, with the furnished apartments, they cater for everything. So you don't have to worry anything. The kitchen is so beautiful and it's so spacious. So this is how the place looks like. As you can see, it's a very beautiful area. Kitchen is spacious. You have everything. You have your gas there. You have this. If in case you'd like to cook something, there is a space here. There is a microwave. Everything is here. There's even more storage in case you'd like to stay more. So there's storage that you can keep your things. Don't worry about maji. Water is there. You have your water. In case you buy things that are perishable, you have your fridge here. The fridge is here. If you are eating your meal, you can also sit here as you are eating your meal. Let me tell you, I love this kitchen. It's so beautiful, it's so spacious. You can do all that you'd like to do, especially a woman when you are doing your cooking. You really enjoy this kitchen. It's spacious and also very, very beautiful. And everything you need, the pots are there. Everything you need is there. From the kitchen area, you come to the dining area. This is how the dining looks like. This is how the dining looks like. The dining is very beautiful, as you can see from the windows. The windows are very nice. See how the dining looks like. The dining is so amazing. The lighting, everything is beautiful about this thing. This place, Aki, for sure. If I was to carry this Shoma suit and apartment back to where I come from, I'll carry it because it's so beautiful. So if you are 6 people, you can comfortably enjoy this dining area. It's spacious, it's beautiful, and you can enjoy. If you're having your own party, maybe it's a birthday, you are celebrating here, or just like family, you'd like to have a getaway in Nakuru city, because it's a city now. That is how summer suits look like. Now, let's just face this sitting area. The sitting area is so beautiful, as you can see. It's so beautiful. The seats, however many you are, from 8 people, 9 people, 10 people, the place is so beautiful. You can sit very comfortably. Let me see the TV. In fact, most of the people don't use TV when they go for holiday because you want to enjoy and have your free time. So this is how the TV area looks like. As you can see, very, very nice, very beautiful. The seats are comfortable. My goodness, seats are very comfortable and amazing. As you can see, 3 people can sit here, 2 and more. So it's a very beautiful area. See the lighting. Oh my goodness, the windows are spacious. The lighting is there. So in morning, like now in morning, wow, the sun is coming out so beautiful. It's very, very, very nice. That is how they look like. The carpet is nice. I love the carpet. It has a very nice color, blue color. The carpet is so beautiful. From that area, from the sitting area, we go to the other side. And this other side, I want to start with this bedroom because it's a 3-bedroom apartment. This is a 3-bedroom apartment. As you can see, if you come with your family, this room can occupy some people. There are 2 beds here. 2 people can sleep here. Like 4 people can occupy this place. And the lighting is also beautiful. The curtains, oh my goodness, everything has been put in order. The things which are here are amazing. As you can see, storage is there. The storage is good. You can store your things very beautifully. However many things you are having, your clothes, your what, they are there. Is the storage is very big. The place is good. This is one of the bedroom. Everything is set. If you want to iron your clothes, there's ironing area. You have bathroom slippers are here. You can use them very, very comfortable. So this place is amazing. That is 1 bedroom. Now let's go to the 2nd bedroom. No, let me not go to that 2nd bedroom because I want to spare it for the last, because that is the master bedroom. And I want it to be the last place that I want to show you. I mean the last bedroom I want to show you. So let me come to the 2nd bedroom. As you go to the 2nd bedroom, there is a washing area here. In case there is water. There is everything is okay there. There is water there, and there is also a washroom here. There is another washroom there. So this washroom can be used by when your guests come to this place, can use this washroom. So that is how that washroom looks like. And now that is for guests, for the people who are sitting, what do you call it? Sitting, who are in sitting room, and people who come to visit. That is the guest washroom. Everything is there. You can shower there. So this is another bedroom. This is another bedroom. As you can see, there are 3. So this is how it looks like. This is 1 bed, but this 1 bed is very big. It's very, very spacious, as you can see. Sleeping comfortable, very beautiful bed. As you can see, the decoration, everything, the board, everything is beautiful. And they also have very good, what do we call it, storage area. The storage area is spacious, it's very big, as you can see. There is enough space that you can store your things, as you can see. Also this side, there is a mirror, oh. There's a mirror there, the storage. They also have another storage. And the curtains are sweet. And you know those calm curtains that the color is so calm. Oh my goodness, the place is so beautiful. Beautiful curtains, beautiful lightings. And that is how the place looks like. So let me show you the washroom. The washroom is like this. This is how it looks like. This is how the washrooms look like, as you can see. So there is an ensuite bedroom. You don't have to move from one place to another. The bedroom is very, very nice. That is the washroom area. From there, now we go to the master bedroom. The master bedroom. This is how it looks like. The storage is huge. As you can see, starting from this place is storage. There is another storage here. There is another big storage here. This is the master bedroom. And voila! This is how the place looks like. That's why I was telling you I want to spare it for the last. So this is the bed. The bed is so amazing. Don't mind me. This is where I slept, and the place is so amazing. The headboard is so nice. The bed is so comfortable. When I'm putting on my shoes, the place is so nice. I can sit down, and the window is so good. The curtains are like this. Very, very nice. Very, very comfy. And if you're tired to sit on bed to sleep, you can wake up in the middle of the night or any time and have a place that you can sit down. Maybe you are reading your Bible, or you are checking on your notes, or you are a content creator like me. You want to check how far your content has gone. This is the place you can sit relax and enjoy yourself. Can you see how the place is beautiful here? It's very beautiful. The windows, the lighting is so nice. So it's a very nice place. And that is the master toilet. This is how it looks like. This is the washroom. This is how it looks like. So it's very spacious. The shower, the washroom, everything is very, very good. That is how it looks like. It's very beautiful, very spacious. And this is how the master bedroom looks like. Very, very nice. As I was telling you, this one, of course, is the master bedroom. It's more spacious than any other room. And this is how it looks like. I love it. It's big, it's comfortable, it's comfy, cozy, everything together. So this is how the master bedrooms look. And for me, hey, the headboard takes all the credit. It's really, really beautiful. The headboard is beautiful. The bed is the size of the bed is okay and very okay. And that is how looks like. The mats are there so that you not fall down when you come from the washroom. The bathroom slippers are here. So you are sorted. So that it's not very much in order because this is where I slept. But I'll make the bed. Don't judge me. So that is how the master bedroom looks like. This is Showmat Suits an apartment for you. So this is how the whole area looks like. Let me show you the view. So that when you wake up in the morning, you say, "Good morning, my neighbors." Anyway, I'm just joking. This is how the view of these apartments look like. When you wake up, this is what you see. Can you imagine waking up in the morning and having a beautiful view like this? This is Nakuru. Nakuru is a city, is a very calm city, beautiful city. So if you are looking for a place to come, maybe for holiday or over the weekend, you say, Nakuru is not far. It's like 3 hours from Nairobi. It's a place you can come and even go back. But if you'd like to have a staycation or just come to relax over the weekend, it's a place you can come and relax. It's a beautiful place. So Showmat Suits an Apartment is one of the places that I loved, and that is the reason why I decided to show you as my people a place where you can come and relax. It's so beautiful. As you can see, I'm really enjoying this place. It's a beautiful, beautiful place. So you have seen the place. The place costs about it's a 3-bedroom furnished apartment. Per night it costs about 12,000 Kenya shillings. So that is how much this place costs. So guys, I wanted to talk about the security of this place. Wherever you go, you need to be very secure. You need everything of where you stay to be secure and your mind to be calm. So this place, the lift has a card. As you enter the lift, you put your card to there, you scan it. After you scan it, you press to where you are going. I'm going to that. So you keep your card. As you scan, you keep your card. So not everybody will be entering. So just like that. And I can see for sure the amount is worth. It's a beautiful place. It's comfortable. You can come here as a group of people. You enjoy yourself. As for maybe a weekend getaway, is a place you can come here and enjoy yourself. So thank you so much for watching this video. If this is your first time to be here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Kindly like the video and leave a sweet comment below. So bye and see you on the next one.